Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Reo-Soul, and I'm playing with my new toy. This is my 3D printer. I actually tried a few different objects. Did a box successfully earlier. Did a Smokey the Bear creature. it really was a creature. Had to tweak my settings and actually figure out how to get tighter curves and stuff like that. And this right here is probably my most advanced try so far. This is an iPhone 4 phone case with a scorpion in the design. I don't actually have an iPhone 4. I'm a Galaxy fan my own self. But I know lots of people that do. So again, check back in a little while. Keep you guys posted. We've actually reached a point now where the walls are being constructed. Putting a nice little bevel for the wall. See the thickness? It's actually going to be pretty sturdy. As you can see the thickness right now. Pretty nice. You can get real good precision on this, I see, if you play with the settings. But I've only had this for a few days now, so I'm getting there. Between work and doing music and everything else. Wow. Actually looking at what is that? Okay. Again, we'll check back in a little while. Alright, checking back in. As you can see, the walls are being created. Pretty nice thickness, actually. This will actually provide, I would say, pretty good support for your phone. Anybody got an iPhone so we can do a drop test? Actually, in the specs, added more support to it to actually give it more strength. So, thinking of you. Alright, I'm going to check back in a little while. Alright, checking back in. As you can see, the volume control section is being created. Also have your section up top for your headphone and charger. And again, you see your camera eye holes, and voila, that's working. A couple more minutes and this should actually be done. So we'll probably check in maybe twice more. Alright, till then, I'll go ahead and give you guys a peek at the software actually. This is what's being printed right now as we speak. You can actually see what is actually being printed right here. It's this is actually the object. So, alright, I'm hoping you guys are enjoying this. It's a quick little video. But again, we're gonna swing back around and see how this print job is doing. Major progress. Getting there. Alright. Okay, we're checking back in. We're real soon to be approaching an interesting part of the design where right here, as you see, I believe this is the volume control, where it actually goes over. It does look like it's starting to approach that curve where it will go over, making a straight line right through here. So, we'll see how that goes. I'll check back in a second. Again, you are able to see just about that curve now. Again, a really do want to see how it connects that. So we'll just keep checking back. Alright. Wow. Now that's pretty cool. I was wondering how it was gonna happen, and it did it. It just did it. And it actually stayed. A few more layers and voila, for the case. And actually that little support beam is actually already at this point pretty hard. You see it's just going over it. Alright, we'll check back in a few. Okay, I'm looking in here now and I can see that it's starting to make that final lid where it actually attaches snug to the phone. Let me see if I can get it where you can see. It's kind of hard to actually see. There it is. You can see that ledge actually being created now. Again, we'll check back in a few. Alright, at this point we have about a minute left. And just to let y'all know, I had to do a few things to get my objects to start sticking. Did a little research online. They kept talking about aqua net hairspray. But I went to Family Dollar and I got some white rain. Also went to Family Dollar and just got some window cleaner. That way I can keep my bed nice and clean, and hairspray actually helps it stick. Alright, we'll check back in a second. I'll be taking it off the bed and it'll be complete. Okay, it looks like it's just stopping right now. We'll give it a second to cool and then we'll pull it off. But it looks like a complete case. Alright, so we actually have a case complete. Still need to do a little cleaning. I need to get a Dremel tool so I can actually get in between and kind of round the edges a little bit. I could actually sand it a little bit on the side to give it a nice little shine. A little on the back, just clean it up a little bit. But just give it a quick little snafu here, just to see if it fit into a iPhone, and there we go. Fits right into an iPhone. Camera hole. You can see all those are exposed, and then also you got your volume controls. Everything fits pretty snug. Alright, again, that's my first major little print, but many more to come. Alright, holla back soon. It's your boy Reo-Soul, 2 Live Productions.